Watch the player, yeah. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix down, so subscribe if I your first time. Alright, guys, so right now we still at try recover from major hype and Furby relationship, but besides that, where she named pretty, and our man. At least they must say them officially break up after this picture surfaced the internet with a 1-year-old baby them claim, and this time baby mother, so him been a gear bun on the side that the people them must say, is me. So pretty mother come out forward out. She favor though, look there. Yeah, so pretty mother forward out, guys, and make one thing clear to everybody. And this is what she said, guys. She said, one blood clot thing me have to say, as long as my eyes no lock, no boy can't ramp with my daughter. You see, pre-peep. And for sure, no guys, she said that on Iwaata live, so everything live. You see me, guys, so right now it kind of sticky and people them a bash Iwaata, but differently from that Jado people. Right now pretty feel away cause you see, from me she disable her account, remove her picture, she can't bother with the drama, you see it?
Dirty Richie feelings.
Alright peeps, so in the next video you don't know, World Dog has been absent for a while, so after the Spice and TC crying situation, him burn out Richie feelings to make the girl do that.
Hold on there. You see my boss, okay baby. Dirty blood clot Richie feelings, let me tell you this with a big shit gut belly. Dirty Richie feelings, let me tell you this. You see my boss, okay baby. Dirty Richie feelings with a long breast, then we can lose mosquito and kill mosquito in your back. Dirty Richie feelings, oh my boss, Dirty Richie feelings, man, you stop call up my neighbor, see me everywhere, walk up and down. Let me tell you this, because TC cry a trend right now. So, through me this stress out, me not too bother people come me this stress out. But TC a cry win. You see they cry there. Dirty Richie feelings, let me tell you this. Broadback TV. Dirty Richie feelings. Hero, my man, come home now. As I was saying, God, that the man could have done already. That the man they could have done when rascal there. The funniest part about it, the whole area asks your man at December, you walk and show your man. Like him a blood clot Christmas gift. Yeah, man, a blood clot Christmas gift. A whole blood clot area asks you a blood clot, man. In a Christmas, I walk out, go up, man, a present, man. Eh? Where we a bumbo clot go? You don't know who said when the lie about the man come. Honest, and but me just tell you this. Your man is not a blood clot Christmas gift. You go like you walk up, surprise you with the man. You go like your man a blood clot present. Come tell about your man in a blood clot December. Come talk about your man. Come a busy with your ugly old man. Like a surprise. Like a surprise. Tell boy your man for man. Busy with your man. Busy with your man. Blood clot kill the soldier man. Soldier boy tipping in blood clot neck. When the blood clot soldier boy there, the blood clot in the army, and me a give a joke. Tell him to move him blood clot and go back and blood clot. That when he come back and you blood clot call me. Cause him a go blood clot get shot in the army. And me just there, so you know. On Christmas Day, me just watch you hold on over me father. Unwrap gift. Hold on. Watch you hold on. All the genocide empress alone, me just turn upside one tree. But my friend, next year, me I send you a blood clot money if you go buy a Christmas tree. A genocide empress alone, me not say sign a blood clot tree. And I call her one away and I say, Empress, why you not have a tree? And she say, you know Jamaica set up. But next year, my blood clot friend, genocide empress, I have a Christmas tree. Can I say, hold on, you know. I don't say, a genocide empress a friend. A genocide empress alone, me not see with a Christmas tree. Me say, everybody else. Everybody else have Christmas tree. What can I give you? Give me. What can I give you now? Give me. Figo. Remember, say, me don't live in a blood clot. A place me live in. People have them nice, decent house. People raise animals around here. So if you hear rooster in the background, because it's holiday season. If you never know. Alright, here they again. Uno go and put up chicken head, man. Go and put up chicken head. Yes, hear them there again. A rooster not here. Remember, you know. Alright. I saw you yesterday. Where did you see me yesterday? Where did you see me yesterday? You saw me yesterday. Thinking about Andrew, you know, I go on. That's why you're too cruel to animal. You're sometimes are too dirty towards even animal. Look how look how chicken are make nice and you want to kill the blood clot chicken. Dog, you're too cruel to certain things, brother. You don't have dog. Fuck,